AE1500 Setup Guide. In this video, we'll be showing you how to set up your AE1500 scent system and everything you need to know to get your space smelling great. Unboxing. Inside the box, you will find your AE1500 aroma diffuser, a power cable, a 300 milliliter bottle with the cap, a bracket for wall mounting, and a key. Diffuser Specs. The AE1500 is a portable aroma diffuser that can be wall mounted or used as a standalone device. It uses a 300 milliliter bottle of aroma and can scent a space of up to 1,500 square feet. This unit is fully programmable for custom scent settings. Setting up your diffuser with oil. Use the key to unlock the door. Remove the diffuser head from inside the unit. Take the cap off of your fragrance bottle and screw the diffuser head firmly onto it. Be sure not to over-tighten. Slide the diffuser head and bottle back into the aroma diffuser. Close the door and lock if you wish. Once the bottle is inside the unit, be sure not to flip it over, as this can cause the unit to malfunction or stop working. Programming. Download the Air Essentials 2.0 app onto your device. It is available on the App Store and Google Play. Plug in your AE1500 diffuser and turn on Bluetooth. Open the Air Essentials 2.0 application and select Bluetooth. Tap on your device and access the unit using the factory password 1234. After connecting to your AE1500 diffuser, you will be able to change its name by tapping Smart located at the top of your screen. At the bottom of your screen, you will find three buttons: On/Off, Program, which allows you to adjust the settings of your aroma diffuser, and Fan, which produces a steady stream of air that pushes the fragrance outward after diffusion. Tap Program. On your screen, you will notice the days of the week displayed above 5 possible programs. Tap on each day of the week so they are all highlighted in a white circle. This means that whatever program you are applying will apply to all days of the week. Make sure only one of your programs is active. Tap on the pen emblem in between start and end time to activate your program. On your screen, you will find start time, end time, work time, and pause time. The start time refers to the hour of the day the unit will begin diffusing. End time refers to the time of the day the unit will stop diffusing. Work time refers to the amount of seconds the unit will diffuse scent. Pause time is the interval in between sprays. Once you have adjusted your AE1500 settings, press Save and then Save again. If you have successfully applied your settings, the application will put you back to the countdown screen. If you have any further questions or concerns regarding programming your AE1500, please do not hesitate to contact us at 305-446-1670. Also, remember to follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and special offers.